Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Alright, they said let's start. You could talk because I prepared this right so you could talk. Go on, tell them.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining.
Go ahead.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what do we have, my love? Because you make it tonight.
I made it, but here what we got today. Today we got baked barbecue chicken in the oven. I was gonna keep it regular, but I don't like how it look. I like it dark. So you know I have to put my sauce on it, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the gunga rice and peas, the first lady made. You know what I'm saying?
With some corn.
Some corn.
Some beans on the side.
With some potato.
Oh yeah.
No? Here. Take a bite.
This is oh so good.
Take a bite of the potato right here. You know? Nice and soft.
Wow, it's very good.
Good?
This
Like
sauce.
Sauce
hitting.
nice?
Yeah.
No, we ain't making no sauce.
It's hitting.
Let me give you some of the rice with the thing and I'll give you a piece of my chicken later. Here, take some of the rice.
I think it's my chicken.
You will get, oh good. Okay, nothing because there you go. I'll hold it for a little bit. There you go. Alright.
Okay, and here's a piece of chicken.
Yeah, you cup.
See that? Hiccups, yeah. Ooh.
I mean, you're hungry when you have a cup. Family! What goes in down?
Excuse me. How was your guys' weekend? Hey.
Really?
Trying to get a napkin?
No? You don't like it, Mike. You don't nothing. Got some watermelon juice, but we don't eat watermelon. But we drink the juice, don't know why, but it's the same. Wow. My chicken is big. You already see it, right? I'm not going to pick up the whole thing and let my chicken fall. You're not going to trick me today. Put a leg, man. And wow. You know, see, I took out the bone out of the leg already.
Oh, you did? Yes, you did. Mind you?
It was so soft it dropped off. I had to eat it.
You had to eat it.
Family, look, hold on. Tender.
It's so good. This chicken is delicious. The rice is good.
Rice
the
is
sauce.
good. The sauce be hitting, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how I come up with them making them the mix up sauce. My sauce is called mix up.
Yep, that's what it's really called. Mix up.
Mix up everything.
But this sauce is good on chicken, fried chicken, baked chicken. It's good on rice and peas, mashed potato, macaroni and cheese, steak. Oh my gosh, fish.
All in one.
The only thing this one be good on is seafood. But everything else,
hitting.
Yep.
Oh, got a surprise for y'all. Keep watching. Next video.
Yep, that's all we're gonna say is next video.
Next video.
Got a surprise.
Got a surprise, but
Oh my gosh.
damn rice.
You know what? Because you didn't want to tell them the surprise.
That's right. Box that crap out my hand.
He said the next video. But because we have some detectives out there, some nosy family members, we know somebody's gonna get.
Somebody's gonna get it.
Somebody's gonna get it.
Yeah.
Say no more.
Wow, this is good. Hold on. First lady. That food is dropping out my mouth.
Go ahead. Let me hold it right here.
Hold right there. Here, take a bite.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. I know y'all wanted to see the whole thing, but I didn't want it to fall. No? But y'all saw it now. That's what we're here for. Oh!
What the?
Don't forget, it's there in the description. I just asked about it. It's there. Stroll down, and you see it, or www.thegreedycouplespatties.com. I got something on my beard.
Yep. And guess what, family? We start. We decided. Not decided, but we're going to start to sell a half a dozen patties as well.
That's right.
So you can now buy a half a dozen patties or a dozen patty. And you can still mix and match the flavors.
Yep, nothing changed. Still the same.
Still the same. But because we know that sometimes
Damn, chicken sauce.
you want to try it just to make sure. Because even though we're telling you it's delicious, you just want to try it.
True fact.
So you can get a half a dozen.
You screwed up, man.
Yep.
Damn, Harvey.
Oh,
Half a dozen, try it.
half a dozen and try it, and then come back for that dozen, dog.
We be here. You like it?
Very good. Very, very good.
Wow. This is good.
You put your foot in this. The sauce is very
And it's
good.
something simple too.
I know. Very good.
This is nice.
Ooh,
What?
ginger ale.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's a nice, quick dish.
Very quick. I had tried the one that had extra ginger in it.
Did it was stronger?
More stronger. It was good. I like to make ginger tea. I just get ginger and I grater it up, boil it, then I strain it, and I add a little bit of lemon juice, fresh lemon, and some sugar. It's very good for you. What chicken here for the chicken?
Ooh, nice one.
It's very good.
Nice. Family members say they want you sent some of that stoopies.
It's good.
For real.
That stupid last week was good. And guess what? We have some in the freezer. And we like to let it sit there.
And marinate.
Then one day, like a month from now, 3 weeks from now, we're like, Stoopies. It's the best. Oh my God. Stoopies that have been sitting in the freezer and soaking for a couple of weeks.
Well, nice. Wow.
So what did you guys do on the weekend? What you guys had going on? Let a sister know. Let a brother know.
Mass lift now, they everywhere. They're everywhere. I know y'all everywhere now. You know what I'm saying? Family, when me and first said to go out to the store, we be the only one to be having on mask. We look weird. Even though I'm trying to make first even get vaccine, but we the only one. That happen to y'all too? When y'all go someplace, if y'all do wear the mask, y'all be the only one? Well, what? Other than that?
If you guys, everyone who got the vaccine, are you guys still afraid to not wear your mask?
Yeah, good question.
Like, do you still wear your mask?
Yeah. Roman napkin?
No, I'm good, baby.
Yeah. Good question.
Oh, I lied. I do need my napkin.
Good question, for real. Do y'all still wear the mask?
Okay.
Y'all still wear the mask?
Oh, you giving me food? What? Wow.
Because I do.
That's soft.
Nice. Tender.
You still wear yours, I know. But I'm curious.
Who else do it? These people be like, yo, they couldn't wait to get it mask lifted.
Yeah. Even in the stores.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you go to a store like Home Depot or whatever, you see some employees have it on and some don't. I guess, you know, it's a choice.
Yeah.
Well, it is a choice, but some jobs, they mandate that you have to wear a mask. Even now, but I guess not.
True.
Or maybe they say if you get vaccinated,
You don't have to
you
wear
don't have
it.
to wear it.
Yeah.
And people
Wow.
who couldn't wait to take it off was like, I'm gonna get vaccinated because I don't want to wear this mask anymore. So I feel you.
Wow. That sauce.
The sauce is
The key.
amazing. Has a little pepper in it too, but not too peppery.
A little pepper. Then a little bit of my mix up. Full.
Not
Want my
yet.
juice?
Oh no, thank you. Did you show them how to make this sauce? No, right?
No. I ain't gonna show them how to make sauce. They gonna want me to make sauce. We ain't doing no sauce over here, family.
But somebody said in the comment section that even if you show somebody how to make it,
They won't make it.
it's
the way-
still.
It won't
Yeah.
be his way.
But that happens a lot. Even my mother, my sister, a family member, they will make something and you're like, oh my God, this is the
Good.
best thing I've ever had. And then when you go home and try to make it,
It won't be the same.
won't be the same. Even something as simple as a sandwich.
Yep.
Like a sandwich, and it's so good.
Wow.
You make it, and you're like, what the hell is this?
Chicken. I smile you. That is one talk. I want to eat the food. No. Nice and soft, no?
Nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know.
They would never know.
They would never know.
If they know, they
If
know.
you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Exactly.
Just leave in the comment section and let us know what you think we know.
What we know. Okay.
That makes sense to me.
Yeah.
All right. Real chicken.
They do pay attention and they do watch the video to the end.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna see.
That's crazy.
Yep. If somebody gets it, I'll be shocked to rot today.
I wish I could. I know who's gonna get it first. I'm not saying nothing. I'll talk to you after camera. And you gonna say, oh yeah.
Oh,
You already know. Okay.
I know.
You can't do much.
Again to Max. I know the family member. I know you guys are like,
What are you talking about?
what the hell the greedy couple talking about? If you're saying that, that's because you don't know.
Because you don't know exactly.
I'm sorry.
I'm telling you. The proof is right there. This is good, Tom. The breast is, family, the breast is so soft.
The whole meat is soft.
But you know, a lot of people can't cook breast.
You specialize in breasts?
I'm a breast specialist. You know, I love breast. You know that.
Come on like Vibes Cartel.
Breast is the rest. Wow.
Ooh,
I had a lot of food.
I'm getting full now.
I had a lot. But the rice is so flaky and it's so like you put milk in here.
Coconut milk.
I had the milk, man. I'm a soft one. Wow.
The rice is nice and buttery for real.
That's nice.
All right. Try to find a piece of meat.
Family, ain't that weird? You don't eat certain fruits, but you would drink the juice. Right? Yeah. I know a lot of people like watermelon, but I'm not a watermelon lover, but I love the watermelon juice. Oh my God. And papaya. I don't like the fruit, but I'll drink the damn juice.
Yeah. We both don't like papaya. We both don't like watermelon. And I told you guys before that I used to like watermelon. Love it, actually. One day, a friend of mine bought a watermelon, and I took like 2 bites, and that was it. I felt like I was gonna like regurgitate, and I was like, I'm good. Yeah. I never ate it again since. That was like 10 years ago.
Wow. Okay, family. We come to this part now. You know?
Ooh.
Where I have to give you the word, you know? I want you to listen up.
I'm listening.
First day to listen. All right. Family. Success is like a train. It has several compartments. Hard work, focus, luck, and it goes on, right? But leading all those is the engine of confidence.
Yeah, man.
Right?
You should say read it again, because people watching.
People watching, I gotta read it twice. Family, success is like a train. It has several compartments. Hard work, focus, luck, and it goes on. Right? But leading all those is the engine of confidence. I always say, you the engine. Not true. But without confidence, it won't work. Damn, I won't put them out. They will never know.
They will never know.
They will never know. We'll never know. But family, we appreciate y'all. Don't forget the link in the description for the Greedy Couple Parties. We appreciate like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. If you are regular and you've been here before, welcome back. All right? I am Richie, aka Chatty Pasta sometime, and this is aka First Lady, aka Shanice.
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang.
Bye.